What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the motherfucking show. This right here is going to be another quick video on answering questions. This one's from Josh. Been searching forever for someone to show me how to set up RSI for day trading. That's keyword, day trading. Strategies and goals change, so RSI and your studies will change with it. It's always important to remember that. Don't just use everything that you see everyone else using because your goals are different than theirs and your strategy is going to be different. I've seen some videos where you set up, or where it's set up 14-day length, 70 overbought, 30 oversold. You said in the video that's fine to use that. That's true. But whenever I try to do 40, 70, and 30, it causes the bottom line to vanish, leaving the top line as just the indicator. So you're wondering why this disappears. This bottom line right here, my 30. Okay. We'll answer that real quick. You zoom in. You're just zoomed in. That's all. Zoom out a little bit. Bigger time frames, it's going to show it. So if you're, that's all it is. So zoom out, zoom in, it'll show it. It's just the reason it goes away is because probably whatever you're looking at is really strong and it's up here, so there's no reason for it to show the bottom bumper. I call them bumpers because, and this is no hit on you. This is nothing. I mean, it's on my chart too, but it's like bumpers for kids in bowling, whatever they're called, the rails on the side. We don't need them. You can just look at the RSI. You don't need it to tell you like this RSI is 70.70. I don't need the line to tell me it's above it. I can say it's 0.70 above it. My resistance in my head, you don't really need it. Like on Thinkorswim right here, I have I can't take it off, so I have like a 50 line. And I just see if it's strong or weak, right? That's all. So I took away the bumper stuff. I can look at, like this is Oracle. So if we're looking like right here, it had a RSI of 81. That's really strong, and probably due for a little bit of a correction, right? So keep that in mind. You don't really need the bumpers, but I see what you're saying, how it does disappear. It's just a zooming thing. That's all it is. The second part of your question, why do you prefer these settings compared to others? Is one more accurate? So I've used as low as 9-day length to cover, a week and a half for intraday trading, and then as much as a 30 length RSI. It all depends on your strategy and the time frame, right? So if I'm looking at like SPY, I'm looking at the market as a whole and I have it on weekly candles and I want a long-term monthly RSI, right? I can do 30 and I can get more of an idea of, okay, is it oversold? Is it not on a longer time frame basis? And where are we at, right? So like the COVID sell-off, right? On a 30-day RSI, it got down into the 30s. That's wild. That's extremely oversold. That's extremely a huge buy opportunity, and that's easy to see, right? But if I'm looking at a weekly candle on a long time frame, and I do like a 9-day length, right? This is more of an intraday time. You're going to get all kinds of mess, right? It's going to be a little bit more tedious and a little more, oh, I should buy here, sell here, peaks and valleys, and it's kind of just too much. So remember, if you're using smaller intervals, also try to keep smaller time frames if you're trying to day trade with it. So just keep that in mind. It's your own strategy. You do what you want. So here we are, 4 hour length on a 9-day, or 4 hour time frame on a 9-day length. Looks kind of nice, right? So just keep that in mind. I hope that answered your question. If it didn't, just reply to this or leave a comment in this video. I will catch you on the next one. I appreciate it. Also, make sure you join my Discord if I don't post any videos or you want to DM me or ask me any questions on there. I will leave that link in the description. Appreciate it. Catch y'all next time.